Welcome to Anime Bites. Today, our anime chef will show you how to make the classic pizza margherita right in your own kitchen. Did you know? Pizza as we know it today originated in Naples, Italy, over 200 years ago. Okay. Let's get started. Gather your dough ingredients: flour, water, salt, and yeast. Combine the flour, yeast, and salt. Gradually add water and start mixing. Time to knead. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Did you know? Kneading helps develop gluten, which makes the dough stretchy and perfect for pizza. Now let the dough rise for at least an hour, covered with a damp cloth. While the dough rises, make a fresh tomato sauce with tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, and basil. Add salt and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavor. Did you know? The Margherita pizza was named after Queen Margherita of Italy in the 1880s, with its colors representing the Italian flag. Now the dough is ready. Punch it down and shape it into a pizza round. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a little room at the edges. Add a few fresh basil leaves, for that classic margherita flavor. Drizzle a little olive oil over the pizza for extra richness. Did you know? Pizza became popular worldwide after World War II, when American soldiers who tasted it in Italy spread their love for it back home. Now, preheat your oven to the highest temperature it can go, ideally around 250 degrees Celsius, 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully slide the pizza into the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Check if the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. That's your signal that it's ready. Slice, serve, and enjoy your homemade pizza margherita. Looks delicious. Try this recipe, and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Anime Bites for more fun recipes.